A human body stands in front of a solid green background in a 3D anatomical style. The skin appears normal, but all internal organs, brain, lungs, heart, stomach, and intestines are exposed in realistic medical detail. The person gently lifts a glass of Pepsi toward the mouth. Soft lighting shifts slowly, and the camera moves from side to side in extremely slow motion. Tiny floating particles drift through the air, giving the scene a surreal, extended feel. The scene transitions to a cross-section of the human stomach. Pepsi pours inside. In ultra-slow motion, carbonation bubbles rise slowly, swirling along the stomach lining. The camera focuses on different parts of the stomach, top, bottom, and sides before making a slow rotating movement that makes the scene last longer. The camera then enters the intestines. The inner walls are shown with extreme detail, every fold and villi clearly visible. Nutrients from Pepsi appear as glowing microscopic particles absorbed into the bloodstream. These particles leave shimmering trails as they enter tiny blood vessels. The camera follows these nutrient streams on a long, smooth path, surrounded by dim lighting and slow movement to extend the duration. Next, the entire anatomical body appears again. All internal organs begin glowing gently as energy from the Pepsi spreads through the system. Pulses of light move with each heartbeat, blood vessels illuminate, and muscles shimmer as if absorbing energy. The camera slowly travels from the feet to the head. In one continuous motion, the scene shifts to an extreme close-up of the brain. Neurons light up one by one, then thousands of synapses fire electrical signals in bright blue and white flashes. The camera moves through neural pathways, as if traveling inside the brain itself. Muscles are shown next in a 3D internal view. Nutrient pathways from Pepsi appear as glowing streams traveling along muscle fibers. Muscles twitch softly in slow motion while the camera rotates around the arms, legs, and chest. The scene returns to the intestines, but now focuses on the human microbiome. Billions of tiny glowing microorganisms float like small stars inside the gut. They move gently, reacting to Pepsi's presence. The camera drifts through them in a long, slow pan, giving the scene a calm, extended effect. A human silhouette appears, filled with bright internal light. The light originates from the center of the chest and spreads outward through the limbs and fingertips. Waves of energy pulse outward from the core, while the camera follows these glowing currents. The next scene shows the stomach lining again, now reacting to Pepsi's acidity. Red, slightly swollen patches appear, with heat-like distortion effects rising from irritated areas. The camera moves slowly across the inflamed tissue, capturing every detail. A cross-section of human skin is shown next. Certain areas appear red or irritated, representing mild sensitivity or allergic reaction. Veins darken slightly beneath the surface. The camera glides left and right in smooth, slow motion. Inside the bloodstream, glowing sugar particles suddenly multiply after drinking Pepsi. The vessels appear crowded as sugar levels spike. The camera struggles through dense clusters of particles, giving a chaotic visual effect. The final scene shows cells losing energy. Mitochondria flicker weakly like fading embers. Light inside the cells dims gradually, and the camera moves through this darkening environment. The entire scene gently fades in to complete blackness.